Hi, friends. Welcome back to Easy Couponing. We're making it easy for you to coupon. Let me go ahead and get started with the deals this week. But like I always try to remind you all, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below in the comment section. I am more than glad to answer all of your questions down below in the comments. Give me a like so you can help me um, get more people to watch the videos, so you can recommend these videos and my channel. Therefore, I don't get lost in this YouTube world. And don't forget to share the video with someone you love so they can save their money. Let me go ahead and get started with these deals. I have some rebates that you're going to be able to get in on. And let me go ahead and get started with the first deal. Thank you so much for all your love and support. And here we go. For the first deal, this is at Walgreens. We're going to be taking advantage of these deals at Walgreens. I'm going to be purchasing 2 Charmin and 2 Bounty. You could purchase whatever you need from that picture. Make sure you select the right amounts because sometimes people get the wrong amounts and they don't get their register reward printed at checkout. We have the Bounty 2 equals 5 available, the 6 equals 24 Charmin Essentials. We do have the soft and the strong. The 9 equals 16 Mega Charmin Ultra Soft Rolls, and the 6 equals 8 Bounty Essentials. I know there's a typo there. It should say 6 equals 8 in my notes, in my breakdown. So I have 2 Charmin 6 equals 24, 550 each. 2 of the Bounties 4 equals 8, or 6 equals 8 in this case, 550 each, for a total of $22. Like I said, you could get whatever you need. Get whatever you need. I'm just showing you an example here. You could pay with points here, $20 in Walgreens cash. If you do have it, pay $2 out of pocket. You will still get a $5 register reward on the purchase of 4, making each of these $4.25 if you don't have any Walgreens cash. So this is beginner friendly. Anybody could do these deals. Best of all, we have a PNG rebate that we're going to be taking advantage of here. When we spend 20, we're getting $5 back in Visa gift card. That's a PG Good every day, and I'll leave it linked here in the description box and in the first comment, so you're able to click on that link and go straight to the PNG rebate so you can fill it out as soon as you make your purchase. Make sure you save your receipt. This is an in-store deal anybody could do. Get that receipt. You're going to be submitting a picture of it to the PNG rebate PNG website for your rebate, and you'll be able to get a $5 Visa gift card in the mail. It does take about 2 weeks. I already did this deal before, or the rebate before, and I got it right away. And it does allow you for 2 rebates per household. Okay. So if you want to get in on this deal and get in on one of the other ones, I'll show you the next one. And make sure you're doing these deals separately in order for you to get your register rewards printed for each of them. The next deal is on the Tide Bounce Downy and Downy Calm. It does include the Downy Calm this time. I love that Downy Calm has a very nice scent. And it calms me down. Keeps me so calm. 4 laundry products. So you select 4 laundry products that you need for you and your household, or whatever you like for you and your household. They're $5.49 each for a total of $21.96. If you have any coupons here that you want to use, go ahead and use them. This is an in-store deal again. We're going to be doing this purchase in store. You may pay with points. You may use $20 in points. You'll pay $1.96 out of pocket. Just for ease of purposes here, I rounded it up to 2. So you pay $2 out of pocket. You'll be getting $5 back in register reward for the purchase of 4, making each of these products, if you do not use Walgreens cash, for $4.24. If you have a booster, for example, spend 20, get 5, you're going to make out for an even better deal. So select whatever booster you have in your Walgreens app, get your boosters in there, people, so you're able to get additional points back. If you do have a booster, for example, the spend 20, get 5, do not pay with points. Again, do not pay with points in order for you to get your booster back in your account. Okay. The next deal that I'm going to be talking about, and this one does qualify for the rebate as well. So let me go ahead and go over it. When we buy 2 of these Charmin products, we're going to be getting a $4 store reward or register reward. It is a manufacturer coupon. This is on the 12 equals 48 mega rolls. So make sure you're picking up the right ones. And like I mentioned before, you're going to have to do these deals separately in order for you to get your register reward printed. I'll talk about a quick note towards the end of this one. Let me go ahead and go over it. Here's the breakdown. You're going to be getting 2 of these Charmin 12 equals 48 at $14.99. That'll make a total of $29.98. Select any digital coupons that you may have or any paper coupons that you have. In my case, or in my account, I have no digital coupons for these. And I don't have any paper coupons. I haven't had any paper coupons for over a year and a half, but I've still been able to coupon and get really good deals. All right, so that'll be $29.98 out of pocket. You may pay with points. If you do have points, you may pay with points here. $29.98. We get $4 back on the purchase of 2. That'll make it $12.99 each. But once we get our P&G rebate, again, there's a limit of 2 per household. So if you submit this one to P&G rebate, you'll make out for $10.49. Charmin, that's not a bad deal. $10.49 for the 12 equals 48. It's a pretty good deal. So don't miss out on that P&G rebate. It's super simple to fill out. All you have to do is fill out all your information and submit a picture of your receipt. Super simple, super easy. You could do it on your phone. Okay. Let me go ahead and move on to the next deal. By the way, before you leave that register, I know a lot of people tell me, my register reward didn't print out this and that and blah, blah, blah. Before you leave that register, I know I have a tendency myself of just getting my receipt, getting my stuff, and getting out of there because there's people behind me, or there might not be people behind me, but I just want to get out of the store, right? I mean, simple facts. Do not leave the register unless you have that $4 register reward in your hand. That prints out on the Catalina machine, which is next to the checkout or next to the register there, where you pay. You need to get that register reward in hand before you walk out. If it does not print, make sure you let the manager know or let the cashier know. I'm supposed to be getting a $4 register reward for this deal. It's buy 2, get $4 register reward, and they should be able to accommodate with points. Okay. Again, do not leave the register without getting that register reward or your points adjusted to your account if it doesn't print. Submit your receipt to P&G rebates so you're able to get your $5 back in Visa gift card. Let's continue. The next deal is on the Dawn Power Wash products. I never used these before, and I completely fell in love with this Dawn Power Wash. I do not use it to wash my dishes. I'm going to be completely honest. What I use it for is to clean toilet. I clean bathroom. I clean the bathtub, believe it or not. I also clean the shower. I clean everything, basically all of the bathroom. I also do the stove with this. You could use it for as many things as you want. This thing is awesome. I use it for all of my cleaning needs. I don't even use it for dishes itself. These are on sale this week, $4.99. We're going to be picking up 4 of them. That'll be $19.96 for 4. You may pay with points here. You could use cash rewards to pay. That'll be $19.96 out of pocket if you don't have any cash rewards. You're getting $5 back in register reward on the purchase of 4, making each of these $3.74, which is not a bad deal for Dawn Power Wash. I highly recommend it. I never used it before, and now that I'm using it, I just want to get in on the deals whenever there's a deal on stock up price for these. This is a pretty good deal. Anybody could do. You don't even need coupons for these deals, so anyone could do these deals, beginner friendly deals, like I said. Easy couponing at its best. You know, we bring you the easiest deals that you could do in store at Walgreens. Once again, just a friendly reminder, make sure you're paying for each of these deals separately. Do not pay them all in one transaction because we want to make sure that we're getting our register rewards for each of them, okay? For the next deal, we're going to be picking up for the Febreze at $5.49. That's $21.96 for 4. There's a digital coupon for $1 off in the Walgreens app. Make sure you select that coupon. You'll be paying $20.96 out of pocket, or you may roll $20 in points. You could roll $20 in points here and pay 96 cents for this. You'll be getting back a total of $5 on the purchase of 4. If you do not roll points or if you don't use cash rewards, if you have, for example, register rewards that you haven't used from last week, go ahead and use them in this transaction. As long as they're manufacturer coupons, you're going to be able to use 3 in this example, additional ones, since we already have a digital coupon for one of the Febreze, okay? $3.99 each is a pretty good deal, so go ahead and stock up. If you need these products, go ahead and stock up. Hopefully you guys get in on these deals. There will be more videos coming up, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell button all the way up so you don't miss the deals. And leave me any questions, comments, suggestions, anything you want to share down below in the comment section. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.